to be 870. We're 835 right now, so we need to give ourselves about another 35 thousandths. All right, come back into our mark. Blocking the table. There's our step. We'll check it again. We're like 868. 865. 868. Center. 865. 865. 865. We know that this side here is 865 also, but this diameter, we know, should fit in there because the other side is the 2 thousandths over, so. Okay, we move this back out of the way so we can get this rod in here. Now the area, the diameter that we have this set in is large. This is going to be an interference fit, but this bore is actually about 1/2 thousandths larger than the rest of the shaft. So I just got in here and I got just a little bit of cleaning any of the raised burrs and metals. Okay, so the basic idea is this: is that key deep enough? Is it straight in line? And is it fitting? So I'm taking this in here and I'm sliding it in there, and that key goes right in there. Alright, now I haven't even got in there to really massage the whole thing, but I'm telling you, that's a get her done. Alright, nice little tool setup I made. It looks great, and I'm totally happy. So we're going to go put our pillow under our head there, and we can be happy about this one here. Alright. Alright, we got the lobe set up over the first Woodruff key there. This is the area right here where it'll be press fit, but it slides over this area here. And it's kind of nice because it lets us give a good feel and adjustment for that keyway, so we're not coming in here blind. We know that it will slide over the Woodruff key, and it'll be just the interference bore. So anyway, we're at 0 there, and it travels up, and it's like 1 inch and 20 thousandths. So we're about 5 thousandths farther throw than the original, and so we're happy with that. I mean, you know, we're darn close. we massaged this face on each side here, and we kind of deburred everything else. Of course, this is a press fit right here, so we can't test it on here to test that key, but this gives us the opportunity to go ahead and test that fit right there in that key. Now there's no play, no lock, no. It's just a little bit, almost a little interference as you pass through both directions. Okay, and I mean that keyway is gloss. It is square. It is straight. I haven't done anything to it to make it work that well. So we hit that thing dead nuts. All right. So the next thing is to go ahead and we're going to heat shrink this onto here, and we're going to pop that Woodruff key out of there because I believe I'm gonna head in this direction here, because if I get it stuck somewhat here, I want to push on the butt end of this end of the shaft, rather than pressing and taking a chance on this end being a little deformed from a mishap, you know. So that's kind of my intention. So we're going to be getting set up on that next. Alright, here we go. We got a V-block, and we got this clamp so that our overall length in relationship to this, to the butt end of the cam itself, is going to be situated at exactly the right spot to heat shrink it right on there. So this is ready to go. We got this up here. This is all ready to go, and we're going to heat it right on there. We have the hydraulic press all set up so that we can come down and assist it if we need to, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to heat it on up, and I think we're all set and ready to go. I'm going to be checking the feel of that bore with my snap gauges that I have just drawn through it with it cold. Alright? And with that feel, I'm going to make the judgment call that I'll be able to slip that in. It's a 1.5 press. I may rock it, turn this over a couple times. I want to make sure it's uniform. I do not think that that is going to slide on you, Nathan. 4.5, right on the money. That's exactly what your the original one was setting, and this was like 3,600, and we're right there. Alright, we'll let that cool down, and we'll do a little wire brush and a little polish on it, and it's ready to go. And I think we'll put it up on a straight edge there, and we're going to stamp turn right in the side of the lobe there for you. I know it's hard to tell with the camera there, but there it is. Turn right, 12. Well, Nathan, I think I got you all squared away, and you should have. It's a nice true running crank, same throw, everything else. You pick up a couple dog point set screws. I don't have any on hand here, and you know, you're gonna want to locate those. I don't know. You're gonna have to put this in the machine. I just don't trust taking those dimpled areas for those set screws and just taking them off of that. I want you to put this in there and drill down into the shaft, and you should have no problem. The minor diameter of the tap size for those set screws, and that'll get you that little dimple that you need to have in there. Everything else is good to go. This little tack weld on that little plate that's holding that pin for the spring to slide in. You know, this works really well in there. I did clean it up, and I got it all wired to the tag, so you won't lose that. The bearing, this is all good to go, and your caps are right there. Everything's clean, and I'll be getting it in a box, getting ready to send it back to you. Thanks. I enjoyed doing mail call, and really for how much I put into this. Nathan's got a good deal as far as the attention that I put onto this this project here for him. And if you're thinking about maybe sending in a project and creating another episode of Mail Call, give me an email. I'd like to see some pictures of what you got, and is it feasible really to send it on this way, and is it a project that I feel like getting into. Also, no panics, no rushes, things like that. My regular customers around here do that. They give me enough of that, okay? If it's something I can wheedle in and have the freedom to shoot it over my shoulder, send it on in, all right? Get her done. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little bit of a show. I mean, it it took us longer to set up than it did, huh? It's just like, it takes, the foreplay's always longer than, you know what I mean. Get her done.